Okay, we got some pictures, video of the feral cat. We're going to take another can of cat food up there and put it out. We'll see what we get. I don't know how well this camera will record. It's not a great low light camera. This is the Osmo 1. We moved the location where we're feeding the cat because Frank's little dog, Andy, was getting the cat food. So we have moved the feeding location there, the Jeeps and one of Frank's spare Jaguars and his tractor. Don't see any eyeballs up there, but yeah, we've seen fox, armadillo, bobcat. What else have we seen? Something, oh, raccoon, possum, I think. So we're going to put the, oh, I left a card down at in the computer. I have to go back and get the card. Oh, well, you know what? I'm not going to leave it up here. I'm able to get it before we get back. Okay, we're going to cut it off, go back down there and get the card and come back and get the camera set up. Wonder if we need to go get the other camera and go ahead and get it set up. We'll do that tomorrow though. We'll go get the card, get it back in the camera and get it set up, and then come back. Wondering if this is the same cat I brought over here several years ago. That ran off. Okay, it's got a 28-second delay, so we should be able to. Hey, what's going on? Don't be pulling it over. There we go. Maybe that'll get the little cat again. I love a train. Y'all know that by now. We're not going to get over here and let the camera get us again. Okay, let's end this, then we will get in here and get check it out, see if it's any good, see if it's worth downloading.